Repashy Superfoods is excited to announce the introduction of 4 new formulas of gel foods specifically designed for marine fish. A lot of research went into determining what ingredients are and are not suitable for marine diets, and the result is this line of incredibly high-quality foods that are a welcome addition to the Repashy Superfood lineup. These gel premixed diets are made with no terrestrial plant or animal sources of protein or fat, and all the formulas use a binding molecule that is derived from seaweed, is water-soluble, makes up less than 5% of the food mass, and is easily digestible by the organisms that eat it. Plus, the low-temperature production process preserves the nutritional value of the fatty acids that are so important to marine fish. Spawn and Grow Saltwater formula is designed for broodstock conditioning and the initial raising of fry. It contains high levels of fat, greater than 14%, and protein, greater than 45%, which gives fish that extra source of energy and nutrients they need to build the reserves required for spawning and fast growth. It is also quite suitable as a recovery formula for the acclimation of freshly imported fish that have become malnourished due to the stress of capture and lack of food during holding and transportation. It is designed to be used for conditioning only in most species of omnivores and carnivores. Due to the high levels of fat, vitamins, and other nutrients, this is not recommended as a staple diet. Reef Hunter is our saltwater-specific gel premix formula for carnivorous species that target invertebrates as their primary food source. This high-protein formula, greater than 50%, uses whole krill as its primary ingredient, followed by whole squid and whole fish. Like all of our saltwater-specific formulas, it contains no terrestrial animal or plant proteins or fats. It is gluten-free, gelatin-free, and contains no fillers. It is suitable as a staple diet for invertebrates and can be used in rotation as part of a varied diet for carnivorous, omnivorous, and herbivorous species. Reef Hunter has also proven to be very palatable to marine invertebrates, including shrimp, crabs, anemones, snails, and even carnivorous corals. The versatility of the gel foods makes it possible to present the food in ways that mimic specific feeding strategies, from crevice picking to passive capture of free-floating particles by filter feeders.
Oh, wham!
Yes. There you go.
And he's
curled
eating.
That right up.
That's
Yeah,
like,
he
that
curled
is.
That right in.
Reef Prowler is the formula designed for carnivorous species that target fish as their primary food source. The formula has a protein content greater than 55% and uses whole herring meal as its primary ingredient. Reef Prowler is a much better diet than feeding a marine fish a live freshwater fish, and is a more complete balance of nutrition than even a frozen marine fish such as a silverside.
Alright, we're dropping it in right now. We'll just see how the fish react to it. Well, it's been in there about 10 seconds, I think. That's all live feed there that we're videoing, and as you can see, the fish are just bombarding it already. It's got the whole tank whipped up. They're starting to come in. I got 2 fish that are feeding already, and the rest of the fish are already swarming on the pieces that are coming off, so they definitely like it, there's no question.
Reef Scraper is the specialized diet for omnivorous species that pick and scrape the reef for algae, microorganisms, and small invertebrates. This moderate protein formula uses a blend of red algae as the primary ingredient, This formula also uses green macroalgae and brown algae along with several species of microalgae. These algae are blended with our krill, squid, and fish to provide an optimal balance between algae and marine animal ingredients. This is an excellent diet for tangs, angelfish, rabbitfish, and any of the other fish that feed on the offwicks growing on reefs. These Repashy Superfood gel premix diets for marine fish are a welcome addition to the marine hobby and will prove to be a valuable addition to your feeding program.